As I told you, the price of Bitcoin has started to see some rejection, and according to me it will dump towards the downside this week. I will discuss each and everything. My trade right now, it is going in perfect profits, but I'm worried. I will discuss each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. The Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and as you can clearly see right here, I made a video last Friday that the price of Bitcoin can see a rejection on the next week, because yesterday was weekend, Saturday and Sunday, so not much movement in the price of Bitcoin. But this week we can see some rejection towards the downside. If I zoom in, you can clearly see today Bitcoin's price made a high of $64,700, but it came down all the way up from there, and now you can clearly see it is below my white trend line of resistance. So you can clearly see how important this resistance is right here for the price of Bitcoin. It went all the way up till 64.7 and then got a rejection towards the downside. Well, right now according to me there is equal momentum in bulls and bears, and nothing much. Price is right now struggling and deciding to where to go, because as I said, bulls are now getting weaker and weaker, because you can clearly see we are seeing incessant green candles again and again and again. You can clearly see this, and not even one red candle. Today we can see a red candle. This means bulls are now getting weaker and we can see some bears. I also made a video that in my video I informed you guys that there are chances price can push it towards the upside and just go all the way up till 65.3 and then get a huge reversal. So two things can happen: either we can see a reversal from here, or the price can just one last time push itself till 65.3k level, and then we will see a heavy downside rally. Now heavy does not mean that it will dump and dump. No, we can see some consolidation, but definitely for a healthy price movement I am expecting the Bitcoin's price to dump all the way down till $60,200, because it did a breakout of this important level and have not done a retest at all. So according to me, yes, it has to see a retest as well. Let's see what happens, because as you all know, price is literally pumping in a straight line right here, and we have to see some correction towards the downside. So let's see when this happens, and I'll inform you guys. My trade right now is still the same only. My stop loss is somewhat over here, and nothing much in my trade. Still it is running in profits only, and let's see. But I'm prepared for the dump as well. So yeah, and still my take profit 3 is here only, and I'm not changing it at all. I'm on the Ethereum's chart right here, and I wanted to show you something. Well, as you can clearly see, price of Ethereum is also pumping incessantly. It has entered the important resistance zone, this purple zone, from $2,500 to $2,700 right here. It has entered again in this zone, and I mean, yeah, it is right now facing a resistance inside this zone, and I'm not expecting a huge pump that will do a breakout of this zone right here. No, I will see. According to me, I can see Ethereum's price in the future consolidating a bit inside this zone only. So overall for this week I am bearish for crypto, and it is a very necessary correction that has to come for a healthy price movement. That's why this is my trade update on US crude oil as well. I hope you all remember I entered in a long position somewhat over here at $66.16, and currently it is in profits, going well. My first take profit is somewhat over here at $72.7 $72.8 level, and currently the price is pumping towards the upside with some corrections as well. Let's see what happens, because it is at a very crucial moment right here. Price can literally reverse from here towards the downside, or can pump also. So it's better to just wait and watch, and right now I am just trailing my stop loss. So my new stop loss is somewhat over here only. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. Now I hope you understand my Bitcoin analysis, same as well as I informed you guys in my Friday's video. I am pretty bearish on Bitcoin, and it is necessary for a healthy price movement. And yeah, This is my Bitcoins analysis and my crude oil trade as well. Solana trade is also currently in profits, so not much to show there. It all depends on Bitcoin only. If you want to trade Bitcoin or crude oil, you can do that on Bybit and Exness. Link of them is in the description, or else you can just go on any search browser and just create an account for free on any exchange, but don't fall for any scams. And do follow me on my Twitter for my latest trade updates. And yeah, this is a short video and just an update video. I'm still sticking to my own analysis as well. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.